Hey beauty baddies, welcome back to another Main Monday. It's your girl Manaya and I'm back with another video. Today I'm showing you how I achieve my knotless box braids on my natural hair. Now let's get into it. So I got this hair from my local beauty supply. You can do that or order some online. I sectioned my hair into 4 different sections, and then I started taking the hair out so that I could separate that into little pieces. I did 3 little pieces for each braid, and then I started my braid. Starting from the root, I braided with the hair, and then as I went along, I added in pieces, making the braid thicker. I'm sorry I don't have a super close-up view. I definitely want to get a new camera so that I can have more detail in my videos, but this is what we got so far, so, here we go. But as you can see, I'm just adding in hair as I do the braid all the way down. Don't make the hair pieces too thick or you'll make the braid look weird and uneven. As the braid starts to feel thin, that's when you add in more hair. As the process went along, I just, did some braids and then I would come back on camera and show you guys my process. I did almost all my head and this is what it's looking like so far. I was really feeling it. I started to do like zigzag parts in the front of my head. To show you guys the process again, I'm just gonna make a little triangle part in the front of my head, and then I'm going to take my edge booster gel and flatten out my roots just to make it smoother. The product definitely works beautifully with that. And after that, I'm gonna separate that piece of hair into 3 sections after wetting it, the ends just a little bit, and start my braid. I take the hair and I put it in the position on top of the 3 sections and start like I'm doing a normal braid with my hair. I try to make sure that the added hair is very, very close to my root, so it's, in there and looking good. And then I keep adding hair as I go down the braid to make it thicker. So after I finished my braids, I just boiled some hot water and then I set them in place. I added a little bit of like hair growth oil to my scalp. I didn't have any mousse, but if you have mousse, I would definitely add that to your braids also. So this is the next day where I take my braids down and show you guys after they're all dry and set. These are what they're looking like. I really, really love the color of them. It's something different and new. I usually don't do a lot of color in my hair, so I wanted to try it without dyeing my real hair, and the protective style was perfect. So if you're interested in any more details about my braids, please comment down below. And if you have any more suggestions on hairstyles that I can do and show you guys, also comment that down below. Follow me on social media and check out my beauty blog, cartersbeautydeals.com, where I show makeup, hair, everything tutorials all in one place, and you can get beauty deals on all the products I use and other favorite products that you love to use. So see you guys in my next one. Peace.